this. Just rubber stuff. Yeah. Locked it. Wait, I have keys. Hey. TV. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Hey, YouTube. Huh? Soggy Bottom Boys? Oh, wow. Only 14 subscribers. My channel has more than that. Ooh. Huh? I thought they lived in China. Seriously? Nothing. Oh, wait, I need to get money. That's why I came here. Money, 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 money. Ooh. Penny? Oh, very nothing. Anything else? Oh. Rubber band. Not a rubber band. Interesting. Thought it shot in the ceiling. Another rubber band. Maybe I should shoot it this way. Wait, it's gonna spawn. Good. Extra money. That's it. Money, money. Money, money. Money. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. $5 right there. That's a good find. A rare one at that too. Let's go find their money storage. Good thing I have is a gun. I think someone's knocking on the door. Yep. Oh, it's Joe. How you doing, Joe? Get off my lawn and never come back again. Well, I forgot you shouldn't be walking. The cops are coming. Better go.